बुनियादी हुकूक की खिलाफ वर्जी है। वकील इम्तियाज सिद्दीकी के दलाइल, कहा कि कानून अच्छा है लेकिन तरीक़ाकार गलत अपनाया गया। अदलिया को खुद इख्तियारात को रेगुलेट करना चाहिए था। सुप्रीम कोर्ट का फैसला है कि अदालती रूल्स कानून से बालातर हैं।
Parliament has the jurisdiction and the power to promulgate this act or not. Entire act to be ultra-vires the Constitution, because I feel this domain is not available to the Parliament and the entire tenure of the section is unlawful. Law is made or election is taken which violates the constitutional scheme. It is a violation of fundamental right that in the context of the trichotomy of powers, the Parliament will make its own rules, the Executive will make its own rules, the Supreme Court will make its own rules for functioning, and those rules have a constitutional force and they are of a higher pedestal than the ordinary law. It is my fundamental right to ensure and protect that this constitutional encroachment is not made by the Parliament.